Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see card number on your Navy Federal app. First things first, you want to go ahead and download the Navy Federal app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. If you're not down there already, go ahead and log in with your credentials, your username, your password. And then what you need to do now, on the home screen, you'll see a list of your accounts and cards. Tap on the debit or credit card you want to view the details for. And once you are inside, the card details screen, you want to look for an option that says view card details or card number, right? Just tap on that option to proceed. And then, you need to maybe verify identity for security. They may ask you to do this to view the full card number. This may require things like Face ID, fingerprint verification, or entering a one-time security code. And after you have successfully verified your identity, your full card number, right, expiration date, and CVV code will be displayed on the screen. Okay, and this information will only be visible for a short amount of time for security, and then you can go ahead and use those details. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.